Okay. Whenever? Okay. So actually I got some pre-cut wispies lashes that I want to throw on you just because I hear you've never had lashes before.
Never.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I want to be fabulous.
Okay, well you already are fabulous, but I'm going to take you to the next level. So whenever you're doing individual lashes, like strips, it's best to use the black glue because the black glue, when it dries, it pulls it closer to the root.
Ew.
The clear white is better for a full strip because it sits better, but it dries clear. People don't know that. So when you're doing individual, it's good to use the black glue. All right, look down, place it. Gorge.
Am I pretty, Papa?
You're gorgeous, darling.
Amazing.
Yeah, people didn't know that. I learned that from a drag queen.
Gosh, thank God for drag
I
queens.
know, God bless them. You know who I did makeup on once? It might be beyond your time, but there was a very famous drag queen called Lip Synca.
I actually don't know her.
You don't know her? She's fabulous. You'll love her. She's very like 60s retro kind of comedy.
Feel that touch.
Very, very good. Look down. Open. There we go. There we go.
Lip synca?
Yeah. Because she would lip sync to like skits from the 60s. So like Doris Day or something, you know. It was really fun.
Yeah. Wow.
For those people who are over 50, thank you. Look down.
Lip sync from skits from the 60s.
Yeah, lip synca.
Skits from the 60s. Lip sync.
Lip synca.
Yeah, so she would lip sync, but it was skits from like 60s, like, you know, Doris Day and, you know, Joan Crawford, all that kind of stuff. Good renditions. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
I don't know. I'm having an out-of-body experience right
Really?
now. Yeah.
Well, stay with me.
Me with lashes?
Look to your right.
Not me having to check which hand is right.
I'm actually dyslexic. Yep, I'm dyslexic, and I have a little bit of ADD, I think. I'm like, where am I?
Yeah,
Where
exactly. Everyone in 2025. What's happening? Where am I?
I know. Let me see. All right.
Lashes,
Now, do you feel like maybe a little dark lip or a little something? What do you feel like today?
Oh my goodness. Dark lip, I've never had.
Really? Okay. I'm having too much fun with you.
Yes. Have fun.
Isn't it a shame we can't be like blasting music while we do this and like freaking do it? Like kids, you could get a really organic, but you can't.
Yeah.
Isn't it a shame we can't just be cheering back here?
I know.
But you should be. You look at all the newest uploads on YouTube, they're all cheering. They're all.
All right.
So we're so stuck, technically trained, and it's really hard to fight it, like production. And we put a lot of effort into this too. Might be like residual.
Really?
All right, let's do it.
Okay. And of course, this is my trademark blood red.
Blood
Well, it's not
red.
really blood red. It's kind of like a brick, but you know.
For all my goth girlies.
I love it. Okay, open. Notice I'm not using a lip liner. I'm freestyling it over here, so wish me luck. But I don't know. After 30 years in the business, I better know how to do this and do it well. Blot together. Turn to the camera. Who is that? Who's whispering? Wait, stay still. I hear those high heels. What is there, a hooker upstairs or something? She's getting her bag.
You tell me to stay still and then you didn't make jokes.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Yeah, I usually like to use a lip pencil after. That's right. You tell him, honey.
He said, I wonder if my European heritage is showing. The teeth. Just making fun of everyone in Europe.
What are you talking about? You look beautiful. Relax. Sorry, I can't talk and I'm doing a lip line. How's it look, guys?
Babe, if you post this look, it's gonna on your own channel. This is gonna
He's gonna go nuts.
No.
It's because this is, you know, it's people like you natural, but sometimes you just give them a little.
Now, Patrick, you don't seem to understand what this is on in her world.
Oh, really?
She's a big deal in her world.
We're gonna add some vampire teeth at the end.
Oh my god, yeah.
Love
You're gonna get
it.
such
I love it.
I'm gonna need 2 to 7 minutes when you guys are done.
Stop. Stop that. Don't you dare touch her. Relax. Kind of like this look on you.
I'm so excited. Is it like goth mommy? Am I giving goth mommy? Every
Well,
gamer
to be
girl
honest with
wants
you,
to-
it's kind of giving me like a 70s super glam girl.
Okay,
You know, so I'm really,
that's a nicer way of putting it.
I like it. It's very sexy. I mean, back in the day, they just pack on the blush, you know? Too harsh for you guys?
Oh, dude.
But
It's so hard.
Am I ready for the vampire business meeting?
You could put gloss if you want, but like you see how her hair is like this, but what I like to do is, because her hair is kind of wet and glamorous, I always love to break the hair a little. I put like 3,000 pins in there, so pardon me. But you know.
Oh yeah.
And then let's see how this looks.
Oh, I'm so excited.
You know, I was inspired with your hair up when you were in my swimming pool recently.
The jacuzzi.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look how pretty that is. I love your hair. And there you go.
I'm so excited. All right, okay. I'm gonna mirror.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm gonna take my phone out.
Where'd
I'm
it go?
gonna check. I can't read.
I had to bring the hair down because it grounds the makeup. So good. But you look like a serious like 70s supermodel. That's how they used to wear their makeup. Okay, so, you know, it worked out. We didn't really plan it, but we kind of made it happen because I played off my model. And sometimes that's what makeup makes makeup. So let me try it again.
Yeah. That was great, though.
So, actually, I had her hair up earlier, but then I just saw the makeup, and it just naturally, organically happened, you know? So I wanted to make it a little bit more tousled and glamorous. I love this look. Are you ready to take a look at it?
I am.
Are you sure?
So excited.
I do
No,
hope you like
actually not. Okay. Are you kidding? I think that's what I said the last time you did it, but I just can't. That's me.
But it's kind of pretty, like it's almost like a magazine cover, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Quite glamorous. I love you.
I'm speechless. I know, I'm so sorry.
Well, thank you.
I can't get over it. It's so gorgeous. And what is that color?
Well, it's basically it's
The eyeshadow.
the eyeshadow is called Desert Storm. No, it isn't. Sorry. Okay, start again.
Yeah. So what is that eyeshadow?
My eyeshadow palette is actually called Dark Storm, so it's kind of like a gothic feel.
Oh my gosh,
So
I
you
love
know.
it. Every gamer boy wants his goth mommy.
That's how we're gonna do it. We're so stupid right now, but I don't even care because it's just so organic.
I'm
See how
actually,
fun?
this is like incredible.
But this is fun. You know what I mean? Like you take pictures with this, it registers really well on camera. I think it looks great.
Oh my God.
I'm so
I
glad
never
you're my
thought-
model.
I never thought my eyes could look this pretty.
I put those lashes on.
Wow. Oh yeah. See, that's how good it is. It's so natural. So that's
put
what
'em
I
in there.
look like with my lashes. That's amazing.
All right. Well, thank you.
My lashes.
So yeah, let's do a quick closing.
Okay. Where's my?
Do all the things.
We gotta get some wine.
I think we're creating something good.
You know it's gonna be funny.
This is a really good one, guys.
Yeah. Like this is like when you have a magazine cover and you just look at them. It's just you know what I mean.
Like this is just like, cause I've been telling him that I
Oh, here,
genuinely,
here.
I wouldn't
Hit me.
mind becoming
Oh,
like
no.
the newer Elvira.
I'm good. I'm
This is
good.
what
Okay,
like
let's.
goth look Elvira, like just like,
accidentally that just happened.
and then you just did it, and I love it.
Okay, so a couple things. Let's do a closing.
Okay.
If you want to do a cheers, that's fine. And then we'll do the same cycle of brushes, this, that, stills.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's it, yeah.
You see your hair texture with it, like super glam with wet textured hair.
I love it.
I love this.
Oh my gosh, I feel
Okay.
so gorgeous.